Okay, let's talk about ice damming. I've had a lot of questions on my previous videos about ice damming and people seeing signs of water in their house. And check this out, where we can see ice build up on the roof and that water and ice has made its way inside the house. So what causes ice damming? Typically heat loss. So if it's cold outside, your attic should be cold. And the insulation keeps the heat in your house. If you've got a warm attic, you've got a heat loss issue. So adding insulation, and also when that's done, adding ventilation. So we would typically add things like soffit baffles, where we're literally forcing air from the roof overhang up into the attic. And we always want to have that airflow up in the attic, and we want to have good insulation. So those are two things. Third thing is underlayment under your shingles. New subdivision homes, a lot of times they're not putting ice and water shield. So what's ice and water shield? Well, you've got your shingles on the roof, and then underneath those shingles, you have a 3-foot strip of ice and water shield that protects the plywood. So if any water makes its way underneath those shingles, that underlayment, that ice and water shield is going to prevent it from going inside. You may need to replace some shingles and get that underlayment improved. So remember, if it's cold outside, then your attic better be cold. And it's vice versa in the summer. If it's hot outside, then your attic's hot. If you've got a warm attic in the wintertime, you got heat loss and you're heating that attic, and you're gonna have big issues with ice damming and potentially water in the basement. So insulation, ventilation, and ice and water shield, those underlayment. Those three go hand in hand if you wanna have success with ice damming. Any questions, hit me up. Thanks.